Assalamualaikum. My name is Widi Mutakin, founder of Expose Studio and Expose Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can quickly distribute objects uniformly at a certain distance in Blender 4.2 without any manual measurements, modifiers, and add-ons. For our example, let's say we have a model of a door with a large ventilation hole on top. We want to distribute the grills in as many as 10 pieces with uniform spacing. I know that the example I am using here is just a simple grill, but you can apply this technique to other objects for similar cases, such as railings on balconies, fences, facade sidings or slats, and so on. For the snap settings, I am currently using the closest and the vertex modes. Alright, first press Shift-Z to enter the wireframe shading mode. Drag this object in the X direction and then hold Ctrl to snap it to the vertex on the left border. Next, we want to duplicate this object so that it is on the opposite side. To duplicate, you can either press Shift-D or Alt-D depending on your needs. Then press X so that the movement is locked to the X-axis. Now, we want to snap this object at its left point, not its right. For this, we can use the Set Snap Base method. So press B, then select the vertex that we want to use as the snap reference, and then select the target vertex. After that, do not do anything else yet. If we want to have 10 grills, that means there are 11 gaps or spaces in total. So we need to type behind the existing number the divide symbol, then 11, and then press enter. Okay. Now, perform the repeat command by pressing Shift-R 9 times. If you are done, you can delete the first object. And Alhamdulillah, it is done. If you want to learn 3D in more detail or other computer graphics software, don't forget to check out my courses on Udemy and Skillshare. The links are in the description below. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum.